Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. They are donut candy molds. They're for cakes, or you can use it pretty much for anything you want. You can make gummies or anything like that in it as well. So it does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. As you can see, you have red, pink, purple, blue, and green. Now, if these things do come out, all you do is like push it in like that. You can see like they have these ones that are kind of pushed out. Just go like that and just put it back. You could also use this for little like ice trays if you want to get like some little cute little different ice things. You can use it for Jello or anything like that. Okay, so just like that. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, it is a very light, but it kind of feels like the Pop-It. It's pretty much like the Pop-It's kind of material. If you ever use the little kids Pop-It, that's what it reminds me of. So all you do is pour whatever you want in there, let it sit, and then you just pop them out like that. So it's really easy to use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.